U.S. Ambassador Paul Jones, Shahid Affairs, visited Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah's mazar and laid floral wreath. Penning his expression on guest book he held, the United States shares Mr. Jinnah's democratic vision of peaceful and unified Pakistan. He paid respects at the tombs of country's first PM, Liaquat Ali Khan and Mohtarma Fatima Jinnah. Later, the envoy visited the adjoining museum and greatly appreciated the artifacts related to the life of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah.